Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the best St. Patrick's Day costume for kids available in the market. It's the Alaiyaky Kids Leprechaun costume. This St. Patrick's Day costume is perfect for your little one to dress up and enjoy the festivities. It includes a green hat, green bow tie, St. Patrick's Day jacket, one-piece vest, and green striped pants. Made of high-quality polyester fabric, this costume is soft to the touch and comfortable to wear. The coat is lined, adding a nice touch to the overall look. The design of this costume is inspired by retro Victorian style, making it suitable for any St. Patrick's Day, Renaissance, Victorian, or steampunk theme. The forest green color and decorative gold buttons give it an authentic and stylish look that will make your kids stand out in the crowds. The Alaiyaky Kids Leprechaun costume is available in 4 sizes: extra small, small, medium, and large. Be sure to check the size chart provided in the images or product description to find the perfect fit for your child. This costume is versatile and can be worn for various occasions beyond St. Patrick's Day. Overall, the Alaiyaky Kids Leprechaun costume is a great choice for your child's St. Patrick's Day outfit. It's well-crafted, stylish, and comfortable to wear. If you're looking for a standout costume for your little one, this is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's video on the best St. Patrick's Day costume for kids. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.